here. So they're so beautiful, right? Wow, so sure. Let me cross the road because this is the place we are throwing the waste plastic, yeah? As you see here. I have a lot, guys, but I have one hand, so I cannot film. Okay, so this grapes I love so much, so I'm gonna buy one of these. I did not come here to buy things. I just come to buy only rice, basmati rice. But I don't see basmati rice, by the way. I don't see basmati rice. This is my rice. Sipendi rice ya huku, lakini sioni, by the way. I don't know where it is, the basmati rice. I don't see it. I need a basmati rice. Entschuldigung bitte. Basmati rice. Basmati.
Da fehlt jetzt nur die ersten.
Das ist Basmati. Oh, danke schön. Vielen Dank. This is Basmati. I'm done with my shopping, so I'm going home now. It's not very far. Hapa ndivyo taka zetu ndo tunaziwekaga hivi, kama unavyoona. Gari inakuja inabeba hapa. Gari inakuja inabeba hapa, itasimama. Hello guys, I'm gonna show you what I got from supermarket. Imagine I go to supermarket to buy these little things like this. Grapes. Basmati. I love basmati so much. So I go to buy these only two things. But the supermarket, by the way, is not very far. It's only outside. This is the small one. The big one, it's like 5 minutes. You get the big one. We have like 5 surrounded us. So this is rice. Okay, I got this, and I got my basmati rice. We have a rice here. For example, Italian rice. My husband loves so much Italian rice. Even myself, I love. But most of the time, I eat this. Okay. So guys, yeah, now it's recipe time. So let's do it. So now I'm gonna start with salad, and yeah, this is fish. We're gonna fry this fish and we're gonna eat with salad. So yeah, but I'm gonna start with salad. Okay. Okay, now we start. We have this. In Italian we call it perde. I Google in English. This one. It's prepared already. It's washed already. It's this one, guys. Yeah, and here I have onion. I'm gonna cut the onion. Where's my eyes? It's problem. Here, salad we are making with, we have oil here. This is olive oil. This is special for salad. Yeah, because our salad, it's an Italian salad. So this is oil and olive oil, special for salad, okay? So I'm gonna add oil. Then a pinch of salt. Okay. Then here we have this mayonnaise. This one I'm gonna finish because it's going to finish. This is mayonnaise. We are using this. Okay. I love this mayonnaise so much. So good. Okay. So the mayonnaise is finished. I'm gonna add more onion. Tell me in the comment section, what is this salad? It is in English. In English. I'm gonna add more onion, Zwiebel. In German we say Zwiebel. I should add even tomato, but I forgot to buy tomato. So I should add even tomato, but I forgot to buy this the cherry tomato or the small tomato. It depends what you like, but me I prefer the cherry tomatoes. Now guys, we're mixing. That is Italian salad, okay? Don't say why you put mayonnaise and oil. olio. Olio, it's oil. Italian, it's olio. In German, it's oil. In English, it's oil. In my mother language is mafuta ya kupikia. My language, my mother language is Swahili, guys. Sometimes I like one day to vlog with my mother language. Finish. So beautiful and smelling nice. Wow. Smelling good. Then after, I'm gonna this one when my husband come back so that I fry this with butter. Okay guys, so thank you for watching, and next time I'm gonna give you another recipe like salad. We have a different recipe here. I'm gonna give you another recipe, so stay tuned guys, okay?